Good morning, students. Welcome to another video. Today it's time to exercise 5B, chapter rational number. So here we go. Number 1 question. Separate the positive and negative rational numbers. Here are some rational numbers. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 rational number. You have to separate them in positive and negative rational number. As you know, who is positive and who is negative. Here there is no sign over there, so by default it is a positive rational number. Here is negative sign over there, so it is negative. Same thing, it is also negative. This is numerator is positive, denominator is negative, so this is improper form or a non-standard form of rational number. Okay, so after converting it into a standard form, it is a positive rational negative rational number, because it has one negative sign. Or here it is both numerator and denominator is negative, so after cancelling them or multiplying numerator and denominator by -1, it converted into positive rational number, so it is positive rational number. This is similar to this one, so this is negative and this is also negative. So when you do this question, separate the rational number by making a line in the middle. Okay, right here, suppose draw the line, and this is a positive rational number and this is negative rational number. Okay, and separate them. Okay, now next, reduce the minus 12 upon minus 16 to a standard form. So here the question talking about the standard form of rational number. So my dear students, what are the standard form of rational number? Standard form of rational number. Okay, so if a rational number a upon b, okay, is said to be in standard form if numerator is numerator is positive or negative, or denominator should always be positive. If you see that this form is occur, so this is not a standard form of rational numbers. Again, we will convert it into a standard form by multiplying numerator and denominator by -1 to convert it into a standard form. Okay, this is the standard form of rational number. Okay, now if a rational number is not in reduced form, for example, let's say it is 16 upon 32. Okay, this is rational number. Okay, but not in a standard form, because it has some divisor, or you can say it has some division, because this can be reduced. It is not reducible, it is not fully reduced, so reduce it by dividing it by 4. Let's say I am dividing it by 4, so 4 4 is 16 and 4 8 is 32. Okay, this is 4 upon 8. Now you can see this is reduced to this one. Now again it has some possibility to reduce again, so by dividing it again by 4, let's say 4 1 is 1, 4 2 is 8, so 1 upon 2. So this is now reduced, and further we can't reduce it, because this is because no division is occur in this form. So this is the standard form of rational number. This is not the standard form, because it has some cancellation. It can be reduced to some smaller rational number, so this is not a reduced form, this is not the standard form. Okay, so this is standard form of if a question says that let for example -12 upon 16, first we have to reduce it, or if the minus sign is over there in denominator, again it is not a standard form of rational number, so we have to both reduce and convert it into a standard form. First we have to reduce it, that dividing it by 4, we have 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16, so it is minus 4. So 3 upon minus 4. Okay, and you can see that denominator is in the denominator, so converting into a standard form by multiplying and dividing by minus 1 to numerator and denominator, so we have minus 3 upon 4. Now this minus 3 upon 4 is a standard form of rational number. So here what we have to here we have to do this. So both numerator and denominator is minus sign, so converting so we have to remove this minus sign. So don't set that we have to cancel this. No, my belief that in mathematics this is not, and no number is not cancelled, it will be divided, so or multiplied. So to cancel this minus sign, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator by minus 1. Okay, so multiply it, so we have 12 and this is 16. Now it has some division, so it is not fully reduced, so reduce it by dividing it by 4. So 4 3 ja 12 and 4 4 ja 16, so 3 upon 4 is your answer. This is the standard form of rational number. Now again, question number 3, express the following rational number in standard form. Again the same thing, we have to do this. If rational number is not reduced, reduce it. In denominator there is negative sign, so convert it into standard form by multiplying, dividing both numerator and denominator by minus 1. So again, question number 4, are the following pairs of rational number are equal? If this we have to prove that, we have to show that these two are equal or not. These two rational number minus 8 upon minus 16 or 13 upon 12 are equal rational number or not. So for this we have to perform this operation. Okay, so we have the first part. Okay, so write the question first and then applying the cross multiplication, we have to cross multiply it. Okay, after cross multiplying, minus 8 into minus 20 and 13 into minus 14. Okay, so what the result is? Minus 160, and this is minus 182. Okay, so since this is not equal, so by writing the original form of rational number, these two rational number are not equal. Okay, understood? I hope this is very easy question. So but you have to cross multiply it, product multiply the given product, and if these two sides are equal, LHS and RHS are equal, then we have to say that this is equal. If not, then these two rational number are not equal. Okay, again let's say another example. First we have to cross multiply it by, okay, then we have 300 and other side is 600. Obviously this is not equal, so we have to write this by writing the original form. These two rational number are not equal. Now next, compare the following rational number. We have to compare this whether these rational number are greater than, less than, or equal. So this is what in comparison we have to analyze. Okay, so again what we have done in this question, same thing we have to do in this question also, but slightly in a different way. After cross multiplying it, we have got the product 12 and 10. Okay, 12 and 10. Now which is greater than? 12 is greater, so apply greater sign is here. Okay, so 12 comes in what fraction? So this is the fraction, so obviously 4 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 3. Okay, 10 comes in this fraction, so write the original form of this. So 4 by 5 is greater than 2 by 3. Again, if you aren't understand, then it is a better way to understand. So now in this question, write the question first, apply the cross multiplication. After multiplying it, we got 20 and 21. So obviously 21 is greater than. Okay, so 21 is the fraction of this, so write the original form of this. This is 20 is the original form of this fraction, write the original form, apply the greater less than sign. Okay, and this is the answer, and rest part is your homework. Now next question is write the following in ascending order. So whatever we done in this question, same thing we have to apply in this by taking LCM. Now we have to there are three rational numbers, so comparison is we have to done. So we have to take the LCM, and before LCM, first we have to take the analyze which those and converting it into rational number in a standard form. This is the standard form of rational number, this is also the standard form of rational number, and this is not the standard form, because as you see that denominator is -7, so negative sign is over there. So first we have to remove this negative sign by multiplying and multiplying both numerator and denominator by -1. So after multiplying it, we got this -3 upon 5. Then this is converting into a standard form, and write it like this. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to take the LCM. Okay, so here now we taking the LCM of denominator, which is okay, 1 minute. Okay, now taking LCM 5, 7 and 2. So 5, 7 and 2 is comes 70. So we have LCM over there. Now divide it by 5, we got 14. 14 3 is 42. So minus sign over there, so -42. Same thing, by dividing it 70 by 7, we got 10. 10 is multiplied by 2, we have -20, and here we have 35. 35 is multiplied by 1, we got 35, because minus sign over there, so this is -35. Okay, now according to this we have to arrange this. So those value which is more negative, because which is in negative sign, the bigger the value, the smaller it is. So here the negative value greater is 42. So 42 is the smallest, and what is next? Next greater value is 35. So -35 is the second lowest number, and which is the greatest? -20. -20 is greatest value. Okay, now after arranging this, separate them by separating the fraction in distribute 70 to all the fractions. Okay, now we have distribute this 70 70 70 by and greater than sign. Now write the original form of this fraction. So 42 comes in this, 42 is the original form, comes from minus 3 by 5. So write minus 3 by 5. So where 35 minus 35 comes from this. 35 is the original form of minus 1 by 2. So write minus 1 by 2 over there. And rest we have minus 2 upon 7, minus 2 upon 7. Okay. So we have arranged the given fraction in ascending or descending order, whatever it is. So same operation we have to do in ascending and descending order. So here are some rational number over there. So first we have to convert it into standard form. Those rational number which are not in standard form, converting it into standard form. So here you can see the last rational number is not in standard form, so we convert it into a standard form. Next step, take the LCM. We have take the LCM. Okay, now done the process by dividing and multiplying, dividing by denominator and multiplying bit by numerator. Okay, so now arrange this in ascending order. So which value is negative, which more negative value, so lesser the value it is. So minus 84 is the lowest, then minus 36, minus 24, 15 and 20. Now distribute 60 among them. Okay, and now write the original form of this fraction. So 84 is the original form of this, minus 7 by 5. So write minus 7 by 5 over there. Okay, now minus 36. So minus 36 is there. So minus 36 comes from this fraction, 3 upon minus 5. So we write 3 upon minus 5 over there. Now minus 24. So minus 24 is the fraction of this, minus 2 upon 5. So we write minus 2 upon 5 over there. And similarly minus 1 by 4 and 2 by 3. So hence we arrange these rational number in ascending order. Okay, now we have bunch of question over there. So first question is which of the following rational number are equivalent? Means we have to compare equal, which are equal. So those who are not equal, just say just write the unequal sign over there, and those are equal, write the equal sign over there by cross multiplying it. Okay, now give the rational number to equivalent to give 4 rational number equivalent to. So this is just we have to write 4 equivalent rational number. Okay, first we have to write the question and then multiply it by 2, multiply it by 3, both numerator and denominator, multiply it by 4, multiply it by 5. Okay, so this we have to done just similar to that question which I have done in exercise 5a. So this is similar question. Okay, so just we have to what we have to do, just multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1, 2, 3, 4, not 1. We have to multiply it by starting with 2. You can multiply it by 5 or you can multiply it by 10. You can multiply it by any value, both numerator and denominator. Okay, so we have so in this question answer may be different. Okay, now find the three more rational number by finding the pattern. So what we have to do, just find the pattern. Okay, for example just see the numerator, minus 3, then minus 6. Okay, then minus 9, then minus 12. So minus minus 3 is adding to this. So minus 3 is adding to this, minus 3 is adding to this. Now we have what is the next step? Minus 15. Okay, what is the next step? Minus 18. And what is the next step? Minus 21. Okay, now see the denominator part. 7, then 14, then 21, then 20. Done. So the next part is 35, then 42, then 49. Okay, simple question. Just find the pattern and write it in the fill in the blanks. Okay, simple. Now next is express the following in the standard form. So now again easy question, we have to find the standard form of this. Very easy. Now this we have to compare the rational number which is greater than, which is equal, and which is less than. Same question to this. Okay, now next question is okay. So write the following in standard form. Again simple question. Now which is greater than? Simple question, we have to write greater than, less than, or equal to. And now the ascending order questions. So yes, this is up for the video. So hope you like this. And today homework is very huge, so I gave it to you because tomorrow is Sunday, so you can divide the work in two parts and do today half work and half work tomorrow. So this is up for this. Thank you and have a nice day.